My name is Ryan K, and I'm gonna show my project for Python 1. And my idea was to make a rock, paper, scissors game to compete with AI, now playing with a real person offline. During the class, I learned about if statement and keyword, which I use in my project. Or in my project, I use if statement to help me with the project, and it helped me that it can give a choice to choose rock or paper or scissors. And two, in my rock paper scissors game, I also use and keyword to help me with my project by combining in the player choice and the computer choice. And the picture shows the if statement, like you choose number 1 or number 2 or number 3, and the and keyword combine the computer choice and the player choice. This is my code example, and this is code 1 and code 2. First I put import random, so it is totally random. And for line 3 to line 7, I print 1 for the rock, 2 for the paper, and 3 for the scissors. And 9 is for the option, and 10 is to input the player choice and the computer choice also. And 13, 14 is print for the option that the player choice and also the computer choose. And 16 is the if player choose the same as the computer, it'll be tie. Or player choose 1 and computer choose 3, it'll be say rock smash scissor use 1. Or player choose 2 and computer choose 1, I will say paper cover rock you 1. Or player choose 3 and computer choose 2, I will say print scissor cut paper you 1, else print the computer 1. This is my demonstration. Share my screen. 1 second. Here, this one. As you see, you can see the code I did right here, like I talked about. And this, when I run the project, it'll say 1, 2, or 3, and if I choose 1, and I choose rock, computer choose paper, so computer 1. Or I can choose 2, I choose paper, and computer also choose paper, so computer 1. I mean, is a tie. And this time I choose 3, and computer also choose 3, which is scissor and is also a tie. And this is basically how my project worked. How can I improve the project? I'll say I'll add but the play against online, maybe made an online mode if I can, and put the well statement so the player can keep playing. And I should cheer for the player if they won. And that's the idea. Maybe I should improve it. And that's the end of the slide. Thank you for watching.
All right.
I think you skipped the favorite part.
I did, yes. Okay, so sorry. Do you want to go ahead and talk about that really fast?
You guys need to start all over again or just
It's okay.
this
You can
part?
just talk about your favorite part.
Favorite part about the working on this project was I'm allowed to change the project as I go. For example, like Spark, when I start, there is a lot of bugging to be fixed, like using the wrong statement and keyword, and I was all allowed to change it, and I start with a lot of bug, and I can change it.
Okay, very
Okay,
good.
that's it.